Long ago, in the city of Shravasti, there lived a young woman named Kisa Gotami. She came from a poor family, but she married into a wealthy one. Life felt good for a while. She had a beautiful baby boy, and she loved him more than anything in the world. Every day she held him close, sang to him, and watched him grow with joy in her heart. But one sad day, the little boy fell very ill. He grew weaker and weaker. Doctors tried everything, but nothing helped. Soon the child died in his mother's arms. Kisa Gotami could not believe it. She cried and cried, holding her son's body tightly. She refused to let anyone take him away. "My child is only sleeping," she said. "He will wake up soon." Her pain was so deep that she lost all sense of the world around her. People in the village felt sorry for her, but they did not know what to do. Finally, someone suggested, "Go to Gautama Buddha. He is staying nearby. He has great wisdom and compassion. He may help you." Kisa Gotami carried her dead son on her hip and walked to where Buddha was teaching. She reached the grove where Buddha sat under a tree with his disciples. She fell at his feet, tears streaming down her face. "Lord Buddha," she cried, "please help me. My only child has died. Give me medicine to bring him back. I cannot live without him." Buddha looked at her with deep kindness. He saw the suffering in her eyes and spoke gently. "I will help you," he said. "But first, go into the village and bring back a handful of mustard seeds. Bring them from a house where no one has ever died, where death has never entered." Kisa Gotami felt hope rise in her heart. She thanked Buddha and hurried into the village. She went from door to door, asking the same question. "Please give me a handful of mustard seeds from a home where no one has died." At the first house, a woman said, "I can give you mustard seeds, but my husband died last year." Kisa moved on. At the second house, an old man answered, "My parents died many years ago." Death has been here. House after house, the answer was the same. Every family had lost someone, a parent, a child, a brother, a sister, a grandparent. Some had lost many loved ones. No house was free from death. As she walked from home to home, Kisa Gotami slowly began to understand. Death was not something that happened only to her. It was part of every life. Everyone she met had felt the same pain she felt now. Her sorrow began to soften. She saw that suffering was common to all people, like the rain that falls on every roof. Finally, she returned to Buddha without any mustard seeds. She sat quietly before him, her son's body still in her arms. Buddha asked gently, "Did you find the mustard seeds?" Kisa Gotami shook her head. "No, Lord. Every house has known death. I could not find even one home without loss." Buddha placed a hand on her head with great compassion. "That is the way of the world, Gotami. All things that are born must die. All that comes together must separate. This is impermanence. Holding on to what must change only brings more pain. But when we accept this truth with wisdom, we find peace." Kisa Gotami looked at her son one last time. Tears fell, but they were different now, softer, quieter. She understood that her child was part of the great cycle of life. She could not keep him forever, but she could love him in her heart always. With Buddha's help, she prepared her son's body for cremation. She let him go with respect and love. After that, Kisa Gotami became a follower of Buddha. She joined the nuns and practiced meditation and mindfulness. She learned to see beauty in the present moment, to accept change without fear, and to feel compassion for all who suffer. Her heart, once broken, became full of peace. Friends, Kisa Gotami's story is a mirror for every one of us. Life is impermanent. People we love, health, money, happiness, all things come and go. When we fight against this truth, we suffer more. But when we accept it with gentle understanding, we free ourselves from deep pain. The first arrow of loss may strike us that we cannot stop. But the second arrow, endless grief, anger, or denial, we can choose not to shoot. We can breathe, feel the sadness, and let it pass like clouds in the sky. So today, if you are holding on to something or someone you have lost, take a quiet moment. Breathe deeply. Remember that everything changes. Say softly to yourself, "This too is impermanent. I accept it. I let it go with love." You do not have to forget. You just need to stop clinging. In that letting go, peace finds its way to you. Your heart is strong enough to hold both love and loss. Honor what was and open to what is now. True happiness waits in acceptance.